I entered medical school at Bicol University College of Medicine. Medical school was even harder. Sleepless nights, sacrifices, doubts, and tears. But by God's grace and through perseverance, I graduated in 2021 with flying colors, as top 4 of my batch. I later passed the physician licensure examination in 2022 on my first try at a ripe age of 24 years old. But again, the journey was not linear. Becoming a doctor is expensive. My family was never wealthy. We were not rich in money. We were just a simple middle-class family. There were financial struggles. There were moments I almost quit because it was too heavy. To be honest, muntik na akong sumuko. But even though we were not rich in money, I was rich in support. Hindi man kami mayaman sa pera, mayaman naman ako sa pagmamahal at paniniwala ng pamilya ko. My parents never doubted me, not even once. They were my rock, they were my strength. Kung nasaan man ako ngayon, dahil ito sa sakripisyo ng aking mga magulang. I am also deeply grateful to my mentors and teachers. From this very school, to high school, to nursing, and to medical school. They molded me, they corrected me, and they guided me. Above all, I thank God. Naniniwala ako na may dahilan kung bakit niya ibinigay sa akin ang kakayahang magpagaling. Maybe I am an instrument of His healing. Maybe I still have a purpose to fulfill. Today, I serve as a doctor in Lungsol, a far-flung community with very limited resources. Many of my patients are poor. Many travel far just to seek medical help. Pinili kong maglingkod sa gobyerno, pinili kong maglingkod sa komunidad. Not because it will make me rich in money. To be honest, if I wanted to be rich, I might have chosen to become an accountant, businesswoman, or a corporate lawyer. But I chose this because this profession makes me rich in experience, rich in meaning, and rich in purpose. Every night, I sleep knowing that I helped someone. Maybe I eased someone's pain. Maybe I extended someone's life. Hindi ko man kayang iligtas ang lahat, pero araw-araw may nababago akong buhay. Little by little, life by life, I am making a difference, and that is enough. So to all the students here today, you do not have to be the smartest. You do not have to be number 1. You do not have to be perfect. Ang kailangan mo lang ay lakas ng loob, sipag, at tibay ng puso. If you struggle in math, keep going. If you struggle in science, keep going. If you fail once, stand up again. Dream big even if your situation is small. Work hard even if the journey is difficult. Believe in yourself even if others don't. Because one day, you might be standing here too, telling your own story. From a grade 5 who struggled with fractions, to a high school student who almost failed physics, to a nurse, to a medical graduate, and now a doctor serving the community. If I can do it, so can you. At gusto kong iwan sa inyo ang isang bagay na sana ay hindi ninyo makakalimutan. Ang tagumpay ay hindi para lamang sa pinakamatalino. Ang tagumpay ay para sa mga hindi sumusuko. And one day, when you reach your dreams, I hope you will come back here, stand on this stage, and say with pride, dito nagsimula ang kwento ko. Maraming salamat Albay Central School. Maraming salamat sa aking mga magulang, mga guro, mga mentor, at higit sa lahat sa Diyos. At sa inyong lahat, keep dreaming, keep fighting, and keep believing. Because the next doctor, the next leader, the next inspiration of this community might be sitting there right now. Thank you and congratulations to all of you.
Thank you, Ms. Balines, for that inspiring message. At this point,
We would like also to give a token and a certificate of commendation to our guest speaker, Dr. Saila Camille Milan Belinas. That read the citation, Republic of the Philippines, Department of Education, Region 5, Bicol, Schools Division of Legazpi City, Albay Central School, Legazpi City, Albay,